Hi, my name is Chris Wade, and I'm a contractor in the city of Los Angeles. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a bathtub spigot. Basically, you bought a new set of handles and faucets because you want to change the look. That's one reason to change the spigot. Another reason would be that the diverter is no longer working and you're not getting water up to your shower, or it's broke and it's just when you turn the faucets on for the tub, water is coming out of the shower because it's not turning off. And there's just a multitude of reasons why you'd want to change it. So what you want to do is you want to get a wrench and you want to wrap some tape around it, because not so much as pulling this one off, but for tightening the new one, because you don't want to scuff up your new finish on it. Basically, you just want to turn it counterclockwise until it starts to go. And once you get it loose, it'll come off with just your hand. And you want to pull it off. Once you've removed it, you just want to stick your finger in there and make sure there's no blockage for water. And then you want to take your tape and you want to rethread it with some of this Teflon tape. And you want to go clockwise, so when you put the new one on, it doesn't tear it off because you're going the opposite way. Just want to get around there a couple times. And just pop it off. Make sure it's in there nice. Make sure not to block the pipe. And you just want to put your new one on. Start it off with your hand. And just want to turn it until it tightens down and faces down. And make sure it's straight and nice. And that's pretty much how you change out a spigot on a tub. Again, there's several different types you can go with. If you picked up a new faucet and it doesn't need a diverter, make sure you've got the single handle up here to control it. Again, you don't want to get into a lot of plumbing issues when you're changing these out. You just want to replace what is there with the same style model, and you just want to go with a different color. There's really nothing to it. It's just a cosmetic thing, and that's pretty much it.